Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question 19, Part B. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form, p by 2 plus 3t by 4. In this question, the denominators of both terms are different, so we cannot directly add them. We will make the denominators the same. To do this, we multiply the first term by 2, so that the denominator becomes 4. We must multiply both the numerator and denominator by 2 to maintain equality, so it will become 2p over 4 plus 3t over 4. Resolving it further, it will become 2p plus 3t over 4, which is the simplest form and is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share with others. Have a nice day.